Steffi D. Welcome back to Steffi D Creates. I'm so excited because it's almost Easter and one of my favorite things to do is dye Easter eggs. But we're gonna be doing something a little bit different this year. We're gonna be making Minion Easter eggs. Oh my god, aren't these guys so cute? I love Minions and this is a great excuse to dye Easter eggs and have so much fun. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and I will have links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. I'm so excited to make these, so let's get started. So come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. Hard-boiled eggs, an egg dyeing kit, egg dyeing cups, tacky glue, white vinegar, googly eyes, a black Sharpie or paint pen, black string, scissors, and some water. You want to make sure that your eggs are hard-boiled and are cool and dry before we start. And we're going to take our egg dyeing cups. You're going to need yellow and blue for our Minions, and you're going to add the color tablets that you got in the egg dyeing kit and add the blue in the blue cup and the yellow in the yellow cup. We're going to modify the recipe for the egg dyeing because we're only dyeing half of the eggs, so I'm using a smaller recipe. So we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar to each cup. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water to each egg cup. Just pour it on in there and it'll mix very nicely. We're going to start by dyeing all of our eggs yellow first, and it'll be easier to add the blue after. So move your blue dye to the side for now and take your egg dipper wand, and it comes flat, so you're going to bend it so it is sticking straight up. So you have it going this way and then that way, so it'll be able to dip your eggs into the color. Take your first egg that is dry and cool, place it on your egg dipper, and very carefully dip it into your water, and you're gonna let it sit just like that for 5 minutes. Each egg is going to take about 5 minutes to make, so just let it sit there. The longer you leave it in the color dye, the more vibrant the color will be, so I recommend about 5 minutes for each egg. Once your egg has sat in the yellow dye for about 5 minutes, we're gonna slowly pull it out and shake it off very gently to get off all the excess drippings. And then I take a paper towel and just kind of dab it so that it doesn't drip all over. We're gonna flip it upside down and let it sit in our egg crate until it's dry. Move on to your next egg. Once you've dipped all of your eggs into the yellow dye and they have dried, which only takes a couple of minutes for them to fully dry, we're gonna bring back our blue dye and we're gonna use our egg dipper and flip it upside down so the yellow is now on top. Place it on your egg dipper and dip it into your blue dye and let that sit for another 5 minutes. Once your eggs have sat in the blue dye for 5 minutes, carefully pull them out and tap them with a paper towel. Then you're gonna let this sit in your egg crate until it's dry. Once your blue dye has dried, it's time to build our Minions. So take your googly eyes, and you can choose to do either 1 eye or 2 eyes. Some of the Minions have 1, some of them have 2. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna start with 1 because I think those are super cute. Place it out where you want your eyeball to go. You wanna make sure you have enough room below it to add the smile or the mouth, however you wanna do it. So make sure that you have a little bit of space below. Then take your glue and do a little spot of glue and place your googly eyes on. Once your googly eye has dried, we're gonna take our black Sharpie or paint pen and draw around it an outline. If you have 2 eyes, you wanna make sure you're just doing the outline and not separating them. These are their goggles, so don't draw a line in between, just go around the outside. If you're doing 1 eye, just do 1 circle all the way around. So, we're gonna take our paint pen and draw a fun black circle all the way around the googly eye, like that. Then we're gonna take our string and we're going to measure around our egg to make sure that we have enough. So measure your black string around your egg and cut it off. Starting next to your black circle, you're gonna do a little line of glue in the middle going across because we're going to glue our string on as if it's holding the goggles on. Take your string and place it on your glue so that it touches and overlaps on your black circle like that. Using a little bit more glue, go underneath your string all the way around your egg. When you get back to the front, make sure that your string goes up to your black circle and touches it, and then cut it off. The last thing we need to do is add their mouth expressions. Some of them are really joyful and have happy mouths. Some of them are a little confused and have grumpy mouths. So pick which mouth you want to put on the egg and draw it on. We're gonna do a little bit of a smirk on this one. Experiment with the number of eyes, the different expressions. It's totally up to you. These are so fun to make. They're super cute and adorable. Just a different way to do Easter eggs this year. I hope that you enjoy. Happy Easter! I hope you guys enjoyed this video and making Minion Easter eggs. I had a lot of fun. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. As always, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at SteffiDCreates. As always, full instructions are on my blog, SteffiDCreates.com, with links to all the products that I used in this video in the comments below. Keep sending me pictures of things that you're making. You guys are so creative. And keep sending me suggestions of what you want to see me make. I am making a list of future projects suggested by you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had a good time. We'll see you next time.